What is going on, guys? Welcome to Amigoscode. So I'm actually making my way to meet Murillo. We're going to have a not phone interview. We're going to have an interview, so he's going to share his experience, how from Brazil he came to London and he managed to secure a job. So that will be the actual, can't drive today. That'll be the actual topic. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Amigoscode. My name is Nelson, and today I'm going to interview a friend of mine. He actually is part of the Amigoscode community, so he reached out on the actual Facebook group, and he said that he wanted to share his experience on how from Brazil to London he managed to get a job as a software developer or engineer, whatever you want to call it, right? So he actually invited me to his area in London, so I just came to see him and I'm going to interview him. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up so I can keep on recording videos just like this. Assalamu alaikum. Right, so I'm trying to find now where he actually does live. I've never been to this area. So London is actually quite big. You won't believe it. So let me just text him. Right. Oh, there we go. I've seen him. Right, that's him there. He lives there. How are you, man? You right?
Yes.
This is Murillo, guys.
Yeah. Mas aí não vale gravar desse jeito. This is my house. Yes.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to Amigoscode. Today I'm joined by Murillo. So Murillo is a member of the community Amigoscode. So if you're not part of it, make sure to join the community because the community is growing. Over 6,000 people. Let me just take this a little bit. Over 6,000 people there learning how to code together. And basically Murillo, he reached out to my YouTube and he said that he wanted to share his experience of how he became a software engineer because he saw Ben's video and it was so inspiring to him that he wanted to share the same experience so that all of you guys get inspired towards, whether it is becoming a software engineer or, just going after, what you want, right? Because, everything is possible. So Murillo has an interesting story. So he actually came from Brazil, so he speaks Portuguese. And yeah, so I'm just gonna ask him a couple of questions, how he came to, there we go. So I'm just finding the questions that I prepared. So how he came to London, so on and so forth, right? So yeah, so Murillo, thanks a lot for, doing this for the channel. I really appreciate people like you. You guys are the reason why I keep on pushing for content and, keep on recording these videos because I just want to help the community and, seeing people like you, it just means a lot to me. So thank you so much for inviting me to your house and doing this video. So yeah, so tell us who you are and where you're from.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity and talking for other people's my journey, my experience. It's a pleasure. So I decided to take my country for taking my citizenship in Italian. It was a journey, it's an adventure, it's crazy in my life. So I come in Italy so in January this year. So it's explode. It's coronavirus. So I'm here in London 3 months. I'm deciding living in my country because I want to learn English, to improve my English and improve my experience with other companies that speak mother language English. It's a more important reason for me, right? So it's this.
Right. So from Brazil, you went to Italy, and then from Italy to London, right?
Yes.
Wow. So how did you from Italy? How did you end up in London?
How to get in London? In London, right?
Yeah.
In my flight.
No, I mean, so did you? The plan was originally to live in Italy, or you always wanted to come to London?
Yeah, I'm planning to come to London.
Come London.
Yeah,
you went to Italy first, right?
Yeah. I live in Brazil for come in Italy, arrived in Italy because I need to take my citizenship, right?
Right.
Because
right.
for entry in London, in UK, I need to visit sponsorship, visit states. So I have a pre-settlement states, right? Because Italy I have European, so for that. But in Brazil, I'm planning, I schedule my adventure crazy.
Wow.
To live in Brazil for UK, right?
Nice. So you are Italian, right? So you got Italian passport.
Yeah. I have Italian passport. Yeah.
So he's a Brazilian Italian. Do you speak Italian?
No, it's something.
How is that possible? He's got Italian passport and he doesn't speak Italian. Shame on him. Shame on you. They should get rid of your passport right now.
I said something words. Pizza. My name.
Pizza is a universal word.
Yeah. Pizza. Grazie. Tutto bene. It's some words.
So if you speak in Italian, like just make sure that when you see him, like kick him, literally just kick him.
Yeah. It's one person in London asked me, you are Italian? Yeah. But you don't speak Italian? No. Who are Italian?
Right. Cool. So yeah, that's amazing. So you've been here for 3 months in London, right? In total.
Yes.
So tell us what is your profession? What do you do?
I am a software engineer. So it's today I'm working from one company that opened opportunity for me. I'm working from Java developer specifically and backend. So today I'm working with ecosystem Spring Boot for microservices. So Java, Docker, and RabbitMQ and Redis and other technologies. Nice. For now, it's
Wow. So in total, so from Brazil, did you have the experience of writing code?
I have more or less 4 years experience in Brazil how programmer. I begin in PHP and front end. After I'm enjoying in the world in Java, right?
Nice.
But in Brazil, I'm mid level. My level, it's I don't care level. I don't like it's a level tag level in people. But in Brazil, it's a mid level.
Yeah.
Right. But come here, it's I'm searching for a junior developer for software engineer.
Yeah.
And it's nice. I'm a young in my experience in slow, but it's
right. So question for you. So you in Brazil you were a mid developer and now you moved to London. So why did you decide to go for a junior developer role instead of applying for a mid level? Is it because of your English level?
Yeah. It's a good question. I think that if I don't speak fluent in English, if I want to get one job, it's for role mid level. My time it's all of the time in a day, my preoccupation, all right, it's speak English, not my work, my task work, all right. So I think that if I want to propose for junior developer, I go to evaluation. For me, it's in my English. So it's in different levels. It's similar, right? I want to get my job in mid-level in London, but my English, it's a problem for me. It's I think it's a problem for a company, all right?
Right.
So
right.
I think that it's my entry in company in London. It's door. It's entry level or junior, all right? So I focus in the target. It's get it.
Right. So I gotta say, like, your English is very good for someone that's been here for 3 months. So well done. It seems like you've been studying English. So well done to you that. So tell us what typical day looks like for you as a software engineer.
Yeah, I'm entering my job in coronavirus, so I'm working from home. I'm wake up and I prepare my coffee and my bread.
Yeah.
All right. So I love bread and cheese and ham. Right. I sit down in my desk, my setup desk, and I see and listen and reading and any break news in my country in UK. And 9 o'clock I started in my job. I using Slack and Jira for tasks, talking to other people's in my team.
Yeah.
And this is in evening, and I have 1 hour for practical exercise.
Nice.
And
you go very very massive park.
Yeah. It's a park. It's big, listen in your podcast and other things. And
you should listen to my podcast.
Yeah.
I don't have. Maybe.
No.
Maybe I should start a podcast series. You guys let us know whether we should start something in the community where you guys come and we'll have like conversations like this, but in a podcast way. So yeah.
It's nice. I stay my cell phone, my headset, and play in an Amigoscode in a video.
Nice.
And I listen.
Nice.
Don't worry.
Nice.
It's my day. It's that I always reading in new break news in English for practice. I write in English. I read in English. I listen in English. I speak English. So every day.
Nice. So I was gonna ask you how you keeping up with English, but so you are learning English. Very nice, and I feel like that should be also a tip for you, right? So when you come to a British country or a country that speaks English, you should try and not speak your own language, right? So try and read, listen, and even sometimes if you want to have like a list of words, right? So how to say things in English and then your own word, right? So you can have a list of those and then practice every day, and eventually you'll just become like fluent, right?
Yeah. One question, it's if you want to dreams, don't worry for your language, because I don't speak fluent in English. This is my English, right? So I got my job, right? My focus, my determinations. So don't care about your language, all right? So this is it.
Wow, this is exactly what my channel is about, right? It's exactly what my channel is about. Wow, true words, man. You have inspired me right now.
No.
Right, so you got your job, right? As a software engineer, you write Java backend, right? Using Spring Boot. Now the question for you is, how did you apply for your job?
Yeah, it's all right. When I think to come in London, I think to read and watch any videos with tips for updated TV or LinkedIn or whatever, and I come enter in my one group in my country for tips and examples and others. So why did do I do update my CV, alright? Any change my CV update wall. I see the your chips in your video, in your channel, in others channels, others blogs. I chips because in Brazil it's I using two words, but in London it's other words. I feel one step I find this update, alright, in my CV. Two step I update my LinkedIn, alright. I write update in English, so it's words keywords, né? Yes, a jinx and C CD. It's words in Portuguese. It's different. I translate for that. So I'm changing any others. My GitHub, it's update.
Nice. I keep on telling people like you literally should put everything on your GitHub account, right? Because that is proof that you are doing something, right? You've got your proof there. That's your portfolio right there. You know, nowadays people when they see your CV, if they see your LinkedIn, right? So usually when I do interviews, if I see like the GitHub account of someone, I immediately go there and check, what sort of things that they've been doing. So
I update my LinkedIn, my CV, my GitHub, and I apply in any platforms. But my job is now I get in just LinkedIn in 1 month without English.
1 month without English on LinkedIn. Wow. So LinkedIn is actually powerful,
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It's I have a lot networkings in LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
I always LinkedIn in my posts, my workshop, and others things. I share my with I'm studying now. It's example. It's Docker. I share of the people that what I study now. All right.
Oh, I see.
It's a recruiters or product manager, and if others company it's C. Oh yeah, it's alike. All right. So I think that you need to show off other people's if you want you learn to love to programmer or about technologies, right? So LinkedIn, it's help me. It's in 1 month. Yeah, I got my job. All right. For me.
So the first step of the interview was a phone call. I would believe, right?
Yeah.
So how was it, the phone call, right?
Yeah. So first, tell you about this. All people, ever, all people call me for a phone. I don't speak fluent, so I mean I'm a call. It's oh, my name is very difficult to understand with a call, right? In my cell phone. So it's I have 2, 3, 4 or 8 opportunities. It's a recruiter. It's block me because I don't know how to speak. All right. Okay. It's existing people's that not like this, but always people that you help you. All right. So one call. It's one person call me and this person, it's a calm for me. It's a pass for me. It's a calm. All right. So I understand if you speak with me and he understand with that speak of them and it's alike. All right. It's a patient for me and I patience for him.
Yeah. So you got the phone interview and then what was the next step?
Yeah. Next step I have to do one test, technical test. All right. I need to create an API in using Java with Spring Boot. So I'm creating API, but it's one tips for you. I need to create an API crude, alright, but not necessary in creating in the auth authentication or authentication or whatever. Yeah. So, but implementation of 2, implementation more that you expect of me.
Nice.
So I expect I created a CRUD with Spring Boot and a CRUD simple, alright. But I implementation run a cacheable and security using auth 2 and others technology in backend. It's my specialist, alright. but I need to do one front end for consumer in this backend, right? This API. I'm using Angular 8, so I need to do login and menus, dashboards, and simple screen for CRUD, alright? So this is my tech stack, alright?
Nice.
And next step, if
so let me just add to that, right? So yeah, so what you said is very true, right? So if you are given a task, don't just focus on what they tell you, right? The requirements, right? So if they tell you you've got 4 requirements, sure, you have to meet those 4 requirements, but if you can go above and beyond, that will be the best thing, right? So making sure that you have, tests, integration tests, using dependency injection, using, really, like the standard patterns, right? This is what people are looking, right? So comments as well, make sure you have comments. So yeah, just go above and beyond, and that's what he actually did.
Next step, it's approving, accepting my test, but I needed to a presentation.
Oh, nice.
because I to do using Auth2 or OpenID or other technology. Yeah. So it's I'm stay nervous because I needed to presentation with my code in English, right?
Whoa.
So so it's a very difficult, right? Yeah. Because don't speak, but it's very cool because it's a company, it's all people's, it's not have aren't in British, alright? Don't speak mother language English, alright? Yeah. So my product manager, it's understand if I don't speak English, alright? Yeah, because he don't speak in English for mother language, right? Yeah, so it's a calm for me. He pets off me. It's a calm. It's a patient. It's a helping me. I'm feeling it's a calming. A presentation. Nice, all right, nice. All right. Nice. If you know about the Java, don't care your language you speak because you know, all right. So this is. Isso basta.
It's enough.
It's enough. Right?
That is enough.
Yeah, right? Yes.
That is enough. Nice. Okay. And then, so that was the final thing, and then you got the job, right?
Yeah, and next step, it's call me in a job offer.
Oh.
Yeah, so I accepted because it's my dream. It's my mind, it's a think every day. It's impossible. No, impossible. I have my job in without English or 1 month in a culture of I know nothing. It's about culture. It's
wow.
All right. Wow. So it's a very difference. Yeah, it's Brazil or UK. Yeah, so I got my job. I accepted in my. I love that I do today. I love my team, my company. All right. Yeah, so I love it. And
well done, well done, man. Well done. I'm proud of you. Right. Wow. That is true words. So what advice would you give to someone watching this video?
Yeah. First, don't worry for your if your mother language not know English. All right. Don't worry for that. And second tips, and I believe, right? Because if not easy, all right? If not easy, it's no pain no gain. Your video in a band, no pain no gain. All right, but if you love this, it's nothing. All right, it's nothing. If you love, it's nothing. All right, it's one focus in your it's our target. All right, so focus target in the determinations in the learning every day. All right, listen other people's and tips and others. Learning all that blogs. All right, so if you want dreams, go ahead. All right, it's go ahead, and if it's a dream to do. This dream, it's really true, all right? Right.
So just to summarize there. So I think what you just said is just do it, right? So
yes,
if you want to become this, fine, just do it, you want to become X or Y or Z, just do it. Literally just do it, right? And you know, take off your excuses. Take off any excuses that you have, right? Because you know, if you give excuses, oh, but you know, he's got the opportunity, or because he has this or he has that, then that's just crap excuses, right? So just do it. Everything is possible. Literally, you know, if you look at successful people, you know, if you want to become successful, it's not just, oh, I want to become successful and that's it, right? And then I become successful. No, right? So you have to go through pain. And you know, there are times that you're gonna feel like, oh my gosh, I just feel like quitting. But you know what? Keep pushing, because eventually you're gonna make it.
Yeah.
Eventually you're gonna make it.
Yeah.
So
example, it's if I want to stop in my life, it's today. I don't live here together.
Exactly.
I go ahead. I pen. It's 80 recruiters. It's say no for me because I don't speak. All right, but pen. It's,
exactly.
Do it.
You know. Exactly.
Do it
Never
every day. Yes.
Never give up. Never give up.
Yes.
Right. Cool. Yeah. So do you like London or Brazil?
Yeah. So. I love my country, alright. I love my country.
The weather, right? It's
yes.
always sunny and
yes. I love the in the.
What part of Brazil are you from?
São Paulo.
São Paulo.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I love my country. It's a sun. It's my family. Is my friends. My food. My everything. Because my country, right? But one thing it's I love it in London is. It's all people. It's respect with you, right?
Nice,
respect if don't care if your language, your country, your
religion,
in the religion, in the color, in the your her, your nothing. It's small. It's big. It's nothing. It's all the people. It's a respect. If this is I love it. Right? It's amazing. It's here. It's incredible. For me, it's amazing. For me,
nice. Yeah, for me, I would say the same. Like for me, like, London. Like, they don't care whether you are dressed like if you go to shorts.
Yes.
Or it's just amazing. Just amazing. Like amazing. There's no discrimination in London. I would say in London. So London is a big city. With you know, a lot of diversity, and it's a good place to live in and to experience once in your lifetime. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. If you're not part of the Amigoscode community right now, join. Literally just join, because the community is growing. You know, whether you want to get some help on your projects, or you know, questions about programming, Murillo, and you know, the gang, right? Literally Amigos coders, we are there to help you. It doesn't matter whether you're female or male, just join the group. So let me know what you thought about this video, and thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks, man. Thanks for doing this. Do you want to say anything in Portuguese quickly for the camera?
Muito obrigado por assistir esse vídeo, e se você é brasileiro e precisar de alguma ajuda, estamos juntos.
Tamo junto. Nice. One more thing, I've got a present for you. So just give me 1 second. I've got something for you here. So thanks for the video. You are free to choose some stickers.
Nice, my friend. Thank you very much. Muito obrigado.
Go.
I love the
plenty of stickers there.
Stickers.
Choose whatever sticker. I've seen.
It's Naruto. It's Coding Beers, and together, and my outside in my company. It's
nice.
It's Iron Man. Alright.
I like it.
It's PlayStation, alright? It's SE Sega and Linux.
SSH,
alright?
nice,
It's
nice.
Breaking Bad, alright? It's CS:GO. It's
Nice.
play video game, alright? It's enough. It's very
Yeah.
good. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I'm not giving you all. Just pick some, yeah.
Oh yeah, alright. It's
Pick
enough.
some, pick some.
Alright, it's alright.